Group 2, how are you today? Lesson 7, Factorizing by completing the square. There are some expressions which are not perfect square, but we complete them to be written in the form perfect square trinomial minus perfect square monomial. Let's see how. Factorize each of the following perfectly. X bar 4 plus 64. It's not perfect square, so we will get the middle term. How can you get the middle term? 2 times the square root of first times square root of the second. 2 times x power 2 times 8 equals 16x power 2. Okay, so the expression x power 4 plus 64, add to them the middle term and subtract it. So it will be x power 4 plus the middle term 16x power 2 plus 64 minus the middle term 16x power 2. It's perfect square trinomial minus perfect square monomial. Okay, x power 4 plus 16x power 2 plus 64. Factorize it to be excellent, x power 2 plus 8 all of power 2 minus 16x power 2. We notice that it is the form of difference of two square. Okay, how can we factorize it? Do you remember? Excellent. 2 bracket x power 2 plus 8 and x power 2 plus 8, and factorize 16x power 2 into 4x and 4x, sign positive and sign negative. Factorize each of the following completely. 9x power 4 plus 2x power 2 plus 1. Okay, it's a trinomial, consists of 3 terms, but look at the middle term here. 2x power 2. Okay, it must be, can you get middle term? 2 multiply the square root of the first times the square root of the third. 2 multiply 3x power 2 times 1 equal 6x power 2. Is this 6x power 2? Of course not. So this trinomial is not perfect. So we will get the middle term. 2 times 3x power 2 times 1 equals 6x power 2. Add the middle term and subtract it. Okay, so 9x power 4 plus 2x power 2 plus 1, add 6x power 2 to it and subtract it again to be 9x power 4 plus 6x power 2 middle term plus 1 minus the middle term 6x power 2 plus 2x power 2 the same. Okay, 9x power 4 plus 6x power 2 plus 1 both is the same, and negative 6x power 2 plus 2x power 2 equal what? Excellent, equal negative 4x power 2. Look well. Excellent, it's perfect square trinomial minus perfect square trinomial. Okay, perfect square trinomial, can you factorize it? Yes, by getting the square root of the first and the square root of the third and putting on the bracket power 2. The square root of 9x power 4 equal what? 3x power 2, and the square root of 1 is 1, so it will be 3x power 2 plus 1 all of power 2 minus 4x power 2. Okay, look well, is the difference of two squares. Can you factorize it? Yes, put two bracket 3x power 2 plus 1 and 3x power 2 plus 1. Factorize 4x power 2 into 2x and 2x, sign negative and sign positive.